Hello guys, this is Sir B and today mag-solve po tayo ng algebra problem. So we have here division of radicals, 6 square root of 150 divided by 2 square root of 45. So we have 6 square root of 150 divided by 2 square root of 45. First, in this case, we can directly divide 6 and 2, di ba? That is 3. And kapag nakakita po tayo ng ganyan, square root of A over square root of B, that is equal to the square root of A over B. So, madaling salita, itong square root of 150 divided by square root of 45, that becomes the square root of 150 over 45. And we have 3, the square root of, alam naman natin yung 150 ay 15 times 10. And yung 45 ay 15 times 3. So, we can cancel 15, di ba? So, what remains is 3 square root of 10 over 3. So, kapag nakakita tayo ng ganito, hindi pa po yan final answer. Ano? So, we have 3 the square root of 10 over the square root of 3. So, kagaya ng kanina, pwede natin siyang i-express as ganyan. So, ngayon, may tinatawag tayong rationalization, rationalizing the denominator. Ibig sabihin, ang purpose po nun ay i-remove yung radical sign ng denominator. So, i-rationalize natin yung square root of 10 over square root of 3. So, to remove the radical sign dito sa denominator, mag-multiply po tayo ng 1. Pero ano yung 1 na yun? So, ang 1 na yun ay square root of 3 over square root of 3. Kasi alam naman natin na square root of 3 times square root of 3, that is square root of 9, which is 3. Okay? Actually, dito pa lang, mariremove na to, yung radical sign. Okay, so this is square root of 10 times square root of 3 over, this is 3. So ngayon, kapag nakita naman tayo ng square root of A times square root of B, that is square root of AB. So we can copy the radical sign and multiply 10 and 3. So this means that square root of 10 times square root of 3 is square root of 30 over 3. Okay? So this means that this is equal to 3 square root of 30 over 3. And we can cancel itong 3. So our answer is the square root of 30.